Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you my PTE templates which I used in my exam. Before that, I will show you my PTE result in first attempt. Here's my score. So let's begin. The first one's a describe image. This template is used in graphical image having data. Here you'll specify the graph as a pie chart, bar chart or line chart. Here will be your topic from image. Here you will cover up all the elements from the image. You will cover all the numbers and colors from image in the specified lines. In conclusion, you will cover the rest of things including topic. If there are too many elements in the image, so you can cover half of them in space given above for elements and half of them in conclusion. This template is for any natural image. Here you'll specify the image whether it is click in day or night. Here you will cover up the main topic T which the image is referring to. Things which are shown at front side will be covered up here and things at back side will be here. The next one is retell lecture. The main topic of the lecture will be here. All of your key points which you have noted down will be covered up here. At last, the conclusion. Next is writing section. This template is for essay writing. Here you will rephrase the statement. Here will be the main keyword, or you can say the main idea of the statement in just 1 or 2 words. At these 2 places you will give your own viewpoint about the statement. Make sure to add up all the relevant keywords to the statement here, and you will give your conclusion at last. Next one is summarize spoken text. The main topic of the lecture will be here. All of your key points which you have noted down will be covered up here. At last, the conclusion. Thanks for watching.